Okay, so in this problem we start with a compound that has no functionality. So there's an easy way to add a functional group to something like this, and it's simply to add Br2 in the presence of UV light. Now, this is not an ideal reaction simply because it goes through a lot of radicals, but it's very useful if you don't have a functionality that allows you to do certain things. And what this reaction will do, in theory at least, is add a bromine to the most substituted carbon. Then we can simply add a base, like KOH. And what that's going to do is it's going to produce a double bond, like this. And then, if we want the OH to go to the least substituted carbon, we first need to add BH3 and THF, followed by H2O2, H2O, and OH minus. Okay? If you instead wanted to add an OH up here, we can simply add H3O plus, or we could use HgOAc followed by NaBH4. Something to note down here, you could have also gone through a route in trying to simply make a double bond go the other way, so this way. To do that, you need to have a big bulky base, one that will not come in here as easily, but rather goes to the end of that primary end right there. And so to do that, you would usually do something like Na plus, O, and then there's this terp butyl. So in other words, that's another way to write this is NaOTBu. So sodium and then oxygen with a terp butyl group.